Why sound is so important? Sound is extremely important because we are made up of sound. If we try and visualize and study, we are made up of three things: frequencies, vibrations, and energy. So, what the sound is made up of? Every single vibration, every single frequency, and energy is emanating through the sounds. Now we are talking. So, it is sound being emanated wherever you are, whatever you do, however you are. But this sound somehow will make impact if you listen to it. So emit so many sounds. Every single object, matter, water, earth, air, emanating sounds. The first thing humankind ever studied was the sound. Because they have to know how this life will evolve. Because evolution or understanding about evolution or different aspect of existence can only be studied if we study the core material. The core material is sound. Because how the universe evolved, how the universe became so big just because of Big Bang. Somewhere the big sound happened. This sound made up of planets, galaxies, your solar system, everything is made up of sound because somewhere the huge vibration, energy, and the frequencies went through just because of sound. So the core ingredient is sound. So the first thing humankind ever needed to study was the sound, and they studied. They studied what kind of sound the Saturn is emanating, what kind of sound the Mars is emanating, what kind of sound the moon is emanating. So all the planets, the solar system, and outside of solar system, the nakshatras, what kind of sounds they are emanating. So we studied that. This study helped us understanding why we suffer in our life, why we enjoy our life, because we have impacts, and these impacts not only surrounded, but they are also coming from outside. They are also coming from far beyond. We never come to know. So they studied the sound. They studied who is emanating, how they are emanating. So when we take birth, a lot of sounds are coming. Amid these sounds, different angles, different aspects, we make our software, the kind of person we become, the kind of sufferings we plan, the kind of happenings already defined by these sounds. So our vasanas, tendencies are defined by these sounds. So therefore, a science took place, the whole lot of science. Now it is being lost. Now everyone believes in astrology, but it does not have that reputation that it should get. So this astrology gave us a clear understanding how our life will be, because this science was based upon the sounds. So when we understood everything about us, the what kind of life we are going to lead, what kind of events we are going to encounter. So this was very important. If something was not suitable, need to be resolved. So what they did, they created a medication system. Sound can only be healed by the sound only. If you have impact of sound, your sound chemistry is not good. Some sound is making you feel low, giving you wrong direction, giving you wrong thought process. Your feelings are somehow being trapped. Then you can be healed. So they developed a whole lot of medication system. And this system was in the form of language, and the language was the Sanskrit. Sanskrit is the language of sound. So this sound, just to heal you, in Sanskrit language, they created lot of mantras, lot of chants, lot of things. And the core mantra was Om, the core sounds. A, U, So these sounds were efficient enough to heal the entire being. So this is how it evolved. But why the Karmakand took place, this is an important question. Because you only become receptive when you bend yourself, when you somehow make your physicality little flexible, little receptive. So it was very important where the yoga should take place. So they created a lot of structures, lot of exercises, lot of conducts just to break. Because whatever you have been formed of, that is rigid, and that rigidity need to be dissolved. So they dissolved it through yoga and meditation. But this was very important. We also do some activities, some exercise with the sounds. So always we do sound, we always say Om and other mantras. Even you go to the pundits, they give you solution. Your Saturn is not right. The Saturn is not right actually. The Saturn, the emanation of Saturn, the vibration, the frequency, the energy, that in the form of sound. So that sound somehow impacting you. So you have to make balance. So you have certain mantra. Om Pram Prim Prom Sasanishwaraya Nama. So kind of mantras they evolved for every planet, for every impact. So this heals. But somehow we only have left with the remnants. So these remnants in haphazard or unorganized, but they are helping us. They are helping us. So this is the basic understanding about the sound, how the sound theory evolved. So we cannot ignore the sounds, we cannot ignore the people, because we are all around surrounded by sounds. The AC is buzzing, that is sound. The TV is running, that is sound. So we are surrounded by the sounds, and these sounds are making our chemistry bad, good, or unbalanced, whatever happening. So that is happening because of sound. Because of outside sound, our inner sound is somehow being reverberated or destructured. So yoga and meditation, other karma kandas are just meant to align these sound related activities. So if we do them right, our being become right. Clarification, cleanliness needed. So for that there are so many activities and the conducts now everywhere, they are being popped up, propagated. So many people are doing it. Now people are actually realizing how we can make our sound right. Because once our sound is right, it is not affected or impacted. If somehow it is affected, we can bring the balance back by doing certain activities. So this is what we can always do. We are conscious being, and if we understand about something, some weak part of our existence, then we can definitely improve it, give the strength, and make the structure solidified. So this we can always do. So sound cannot be ignored. Having understanding of at full is very important, because we need to understand what kind of sound we are. If we know it, we can definitely make our sounds better. We can clean it, we can make it pure, we can make it vibrant or in sync with the universal sound. So this is something that every human being should know, should practice, and do whatever can be done just to make it more vibrant or in harmony.